Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to get a file from voice memos that you have already recorded from your iPhone, and you want to get a file to the PC that you want to use the file for any reason. Okay, so today I got some voice recording in here. You see here, I got 10 voice recording right here. And if you want to get a file from your phone into the PC without any connection, without a USB connector right here, we just use a Telegram between the phone and the PC. Okay, so for an example, I want to get the new recording 10 right here. You have to just select on the icon. Okay, click on it and select on share and select on the Telegram icon and choose the account that you want to send to. For an example, I send to Mr. 1 right here. Click on it and select on send. So that's it. If you want to get the other files all around here, you can do the same as the following. Okay, and then you can see your Telegram in the computer right here, and then you have to navigate to Mr. 1, and then the sound or the voice recording is in the Telegram that you can save. Just right click and save as, and place the voice recording to where you want to save. Okay, for example, I save this one, and then the file is right here. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.